In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a free virtual credit card for free trials. If you've ever wanted to try a streaming service or a new app without exposing your real card, a virtual card is the safest route. Here is how it works and the best places to get one depending on where you live. Start by choosing a virtual card provider. In the United States, two of the strongest options are Privacy.com and Chime. Privacy.com generates virtual Visa and MasterCard debit cards. And it's built for control. You will see options to set custom spending limits, pause or close a card instantly, and even create single-use burner cards that automatically decline subscription renewals. Chime's ecosystem also supports virtual card features that mask your real card details through connected digital wallet and banking tools, which helps you keep trials separate from your everyday spending. If you are in the United Kingdom or across Europe, look at Revolut and Monzo. Revolut offers disposable virtual cards that destroy their details and regenerate a fresh number after every transaction. So a free trial can charge you later using the old number. Monzo lets customers on its Plus or Premium plans create virtual cards designed for managing subscriptions and trials, giving you a separate card number you can control from the app. Once you've picked a provider, create your account and link your real bank account or debit card. This connection funds the virtual card when a legitimate charge is approved, while still shielding your primary card information. After that, generate a new virtual card for the specific free trial you are starting. Give the card a clear name that matches the service so you can recognize it at a glance when you review your transactions. When you sign up for the trial, enter the virtual card number, expiration date, and security code exactly as shown. It behaves like a standard card at checkout. Some services place a small temporary authorization to confirm the card is valid. That usually drops off automatically. These services are designed to produce temporary, burner-style cards that are tied to your bank account but controlled by you, because you can close, pause, or let a disposable number expire. Unauthorized charges after the trial ends won't go through. The end result is simple. You get to explore a service risk-free, and your real card stays protected the entire time. That's the process from start to finish. Thanks for watching.